Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Srijana, and in this video I'm going to try the Etude House Silk Scarf Double Care Hair Mask. So this Etude House is a Korean brand and I have not tried this before, so let's see. It's written do it yourself oil treatment for permed and color hair. So it's supposed to give you a shine afterwards. So let's look at my hair. So I have the lower part is colored and the top part is my own natural hair color. So my hair was a bit long, but the end of my hair was really dry, so I kind of cut it off. So this is the remain. So it's a little bit dry. So I will see whether I can feel any difference after putting on this mask. Okay, so the first step is we need to shampoo and then towel dry the hair and then apply this treatment without putting any conditioner. So also in this package, the hair mask is on this side, this much. And then this one is the hair cap. It has some essence inside. So I'm going to shampoo my hair first and then put on this mask. So I have just shampooed my hair, and the next step is to use hand to apply the oil treatment to strand from roots to tips. Okay, so let's start. So there is a point to open here. You can just tear off because it's a little bit torn here. Okay, let me tear it off. Okay, I can push it from the bottom into here. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to put from the root to the tips. I have applied all the hair treatment, and the next step is to use the hair cap with the essence. So for the hair essence, we can tear off that hair because I can see a tearing point. This hair cap already has the essence. Let's put it in. So the hair cap is a bit loose for me. Okay, so the next step is to leave on the cap 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. So I'm going to leave it for between 10 to 15 minutes. So I will start the timer and I'll come back. So it has already been more than 14 minutes. I'm going to go rinse it off with warm water. So I have already rinsed off the mask or the treatment, and then I will dry my hair now. Let's see. Actually, the hair does feel a little bit softer. I'm not sure about the shininess, but the hair does feel good. So I think it's okay to try this mask once in a while if your hair is a little bit damaged. But if it's too much damage, then I don't think it can help that much. So I think I'm going to continue using this once in a while. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.